Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to backup your WhatsApp chats in your old phone and how to restore them in your new phone. How can you transfer your all kinds of WhatsApp chats from your old phone to new phone with media, groups, chats, everything you can transfer from your old phone to new phone without any kinds of problem. Actually, sometimes we buy new phone, right? And that time we want to use same WhatsApp in our new phone with our chats, media, group, everything we want to transfer from our old phone to new phone, right? So if you really want to learn how to do that, then please watch full video carefully, because in this video I'm going to show you 100% working process for it. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So first of all, you'll need to go to Play Store and then make sure your WhatsApp application already up to date. So after updating your WhatsApp application in your old phone, just click here open option and then click here three dot line, then click here settings option, then go to your profile icon and make sure this is the same account you want to transfer in your old phone with everything. Okay, so just get back from here and right now go to chats option in here and then just scroll down, then click here chat backup and then choose here Google account. Just click on it and you will see maybe multiple Gmail account or whatever. Just I have multiple Gmail accounts, so that's why I need to choose the first one, which is Gmail Saif 1134560. So just select on it and after that click here frequency, just click daily. Okay, and after that click here includes videos, just make sure it's turned on and also select the last one which is backup using cellular, just select on it and after that just click here backup option and your chat will be backup in your Google Drive. So let me go to my Google Drive and let me show you. You can see there is a Google Drive and let me choose that same Gmail account in here and after that just go there three dot line and then go to backups and you can see this is the WhatsApp chats I did backup right now. Okay, so after doing this thing in your old phone, let me go to WhatsApp and you can see it's already backup. So after doing this thing in your old phone, you need to eject your SIM from your old phone to new phone. Okay, so let me do that. So after ejecting your SIM from your old phone, just you need to put in your new phone. Okay, so after that just you need to do something in your new phone. So right now you need to go to your Play Store first and after that you need to install WhatsApp application in your phone, in your new phone. Just install the new WhatsApp application in your new phone. So after that just you need to go to in your Gmail account and then go there profile icon and you need to choose that same Gmail account from there. Just let me check it. You need to log in this same Gmail account into your new phone. Remember this thing. You can see there is the Gmail Saif 1134560 and I have also logged in this phone. And if you don't know how to log in, just click here add another account and then click here Google and just give that same Gmail account into this phone and password and your Gmail account will be logged in. Okay, so let me get back from here. So after logged in this same Gmail account, you need to go to WhatsApp and after that just wait for a few seconds. So click here agree and continue and you need to give that same phone number in here. That old phone SIM number you enter into your new phone and give that same phone number in here. Okay, so after that just click here next option and wait for a few seconds. It will send some OTP code, so just click here yes, and it will already send some OTP code. So let me collect that code and give that code in here, 6-digit code. Okay, so if you doesn't receive your code number, that time click here need help getting code, then you can give a call, either receive SMS. So let me give call, then click here continue, then click here allow, and wait for a few seconds, and you can see it's automatically verified. Okay, so now click here continue option, contacts and media. Just click here continue, then click here allow, and wait for a few seconds, and you can see this same backup I did in my old phone, right? You just saw that I did same backup in my this old phone. So right now I need to click here restore option. Do not click here skip option, and if you click here skip option accidentally, then you need to do it from again. Okay, so let me click here restore option and wait for a few seconds, and you can see I got restore this 1962 message restore. Okay, so now click here next option and then choose your that name, and then click here next option again and just click here skip, then cancel, then click here skip, then you can add email in here. So like right now I just click skip and wait for a few seconds, and you can see it just give these options. So let me click here daily option, then backup cellular data, then click here done option, and before that you can see there is the Google account, same Google account, so make sure it has it. Just click here done option, and after that you can see this same chat I already got in my this new phone. So this is it guys. So by this easiest process you can backup your WhatsApp chat in your old phone and you can restore them in your new phone. I mean, you can transfer your all kinds of WhatsApp chats easily in your new phone. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. And if you find this video helpful, then please subscribe my channel and give also like.